and this way, yes? Okay, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And also start another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so we do compensation is this. Go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And keep this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so cool. Let's do back, then we go back, sit down. So, thank you so much for doing and learning this complex with me. I really appreciate. So have a nice day. Also,